Heya techs! Today I'm going to share a little tip to keep audio from your Twitch VODs. Imagine you have some audio that you want to be shared with your live audience that you don't want in your VODs. It could be your alert sounds, your background music, sound alerts, or anything like that. All you need to do is open the settings in your OBS and go to the output section. Under Twitch VOD track, select one of the buttons. I use 2. Then press OK. After this, you're going to go to your audio that you don't want in the VODs. Click on the 3 dots at the bottom of the audio and go to Advanced Audio Properties. In that next window, make sure that the number you picked for your Twitch VOD is left unselected. And ta-da! Now that audio will show up for your live audience, but not in the VODs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one!